What is the best digital product to sell in 2026? It's not an ebook. It's not a Notion template. It's what people literally build their businesses on. Shopify, you've heard the name, right? Millions and millions of online businesses are operating over the system. And the point about every single Shopify store out there is that every Shopify store needs a theme. And store owners hate programming and hate coding, and that's the opportunity for you. A little bit of backstory about how I found out about this big opportunity of the year 2026. I was scrolling over the web, I was searching in the web, and I was trying to create a Shopify store for myself, something like that. And in the process of doing that, I saw some themes that were available to apply to my store. And there was like a cost for them. There was about $300 or something for each theme. And I was like, wow, Shopify is making a lot of money, you know? But afterwards, when I researched and I went deeper and deeper and deeper, I understood that these themes do not belong to Shopify itself, but belong to programmers, and they are actually digital products. Boom. So I tried it out, you know. I was already a programmer, but it was still hard for me because I needed to learn a new programming language, which is in a weird way the exclusive programming language for Shopify, which is called Liquid. So I went through it, I learned it completely, and I applied what I learned, and the results shocked me. What happened was that I created my own Shopify theme, and I listed it in a public marketplace, not even the Shopify marketplace itself, you know. I listed it publicly for a way lower price. But what was shocking to me was the high demand for Shopify themes and the low supply. So there's basically not many programmers and not many people doing this. There's not many people trying to create Shopify themes, but there are millions of people demanding those themes and having their money ready in their pocket to pay for the theme that is going to catch their attention most. Very high demand, very low competition, and infinite scalability. These three make Shopify theme development the best business model ever, in my opinion, for 2026. And this is going to be the business model of the year. This is going to be what is going to make all those new age millionaires that we're seeing on the internet. And this is the opportunity of the year 2026. But the point here is that the low competition comes from a high barrier. So barrier is basically how hard it is for someone to get started with a business model. And in this case, this business model is very, very hard to start, because in order to get started, you need to know design and you need to have design skills as well as programming skills and coding skills, and all of that need to stack over each other, and then you create a digital asset, a product, a seed of your money tree, which is going to make you money times and times and times forever. But the point here is that it's very hard to get started. So this is why we have created the Shopify Theme Development Bootcamp at the Takeoff College. The enrollments are closing in a few days, and right now it is available at a fraction of cost. It was about $2,490 or something to enroll, but now it's no more than $980. So it's basically 3 copies of a Shopify theme sold. You know, when you enroll inside the course and you create your first ever Shopify theme, you may even get that money in your first week or something. So that's a very reasonable price, you know, and a very good investment for your future, as you're not learning just Shopify development, but you're learning programming in general. So you're learning Adobe Photoshop as well as front-end web development completely. So you're learning HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Font Awesome, Animate.css, and you're learning all of that from very, very scratch, from beginning, from the alphabet with me, myself. And Afterwards, you're learning the backend, so you're learning the exclusive programming language, the liquid that exists for Shopify. And after all, in this very bootcamp, you'll start from zero, and after the bootcamp, you'll have everything you need in order to create your digital asset and in order to create your first ever Shopify theme and put it out there for sale. We even have a roadmap inside the course and a tutorial for the distribution part. So now you've created your digital product, how to sell it, where to sell it, how to get the most money out of it. And all of that are available in the very bootcamp that I'm talking about. If you want to join us over there, the first link in the description is where you want to click right now, and you'll be able to enroll now and save your spot for the Shopify Theme Development Bootcamp. Again, I say creating Shopify themes is by far the best opportunity out there for 2026, but it is again in a high risk of oversaturation for the next years. So you need to execute as soon as possible. You need to start learning as soon as possible and start creating as soon as possible in order to conquer and in order to own a part and a share of that market and secure your spot for the next decade of your money-making journey. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. And also, if you want to learn new skills and use our free tutorials inside the Takeoff College, you can click the subscribe button. You'll also be seeing more videos like this if you do that. And if this video helped you, also don't forget to share it with a friend. Wish you the best. That's it. Take care.